Good morning, and today is February 13, 2024, and it's a Tuesday. It's a second trading day of this week, and we have a big, high impact news just released at 8:30 Eastern Time, and we are in the week 7 of this year. And we have a huge, earnings report coming, right? Coca-Cola, big Airbnb, Marriott. Yeah, lots of, big cap right there. Alchemy. Anyway, and also this week, this Friday it's gonna be a option expiration. It's a standard, it's monthly expiration. And then we have quarterly, right? Monthly and quarterly. I think quarterly is gonna be in March, right? End of month. Standard, right? End of month option. Yeah, quarter right here. Should we do have on February also? So March, June, September. They call quarterly, right? March, June, September, and December, and a quarter. But I wonder why is the color code. But anyway, so for this week we have a end of monthly expiration. Oh, this end of month, yeah. Every time. 8 of them have end of month, right? And also I have, so-called standard expiration. The third week of every month. So that's the whole idea right there. And this morning, the pre-market volume is huge, right? 3 million something. Normally it's just 1 million. It's 3 million. That's huge. Alright, now look at the chart right here. The chart on the left side is Nvidia, and the chart on the right side is SPY. And we see the gap is huge, $6.45. So very interesting. Yesterday, we remember, lead up to the PM section is really crazy. That means that someone want to sell. So very big. That's the reason why they want to set up the sales liquidity so they can sell them. Look at that. Right? They need sales liquidity right here. The whole thing right there. So somehow someone have information that gives me that today the PMI, not sorry the PMI, but the CPI is gonna be negative impact, right? The CPI today is released, and right here. So basically, is above the consensus. Right, the estimate 0.2, but actually it rose to 0.3. That's a lot right there. I mean, look like conservative range. I don't know, it's way out about right there. That's a huge reaction from the markets. But look like someone had this information from yesterday. Then they go in and start the PM section 30. They already show up very hard right there. And let's look at the volume yesterday. Okay, today. Yeah, we didn't catch the number, but yesterday is so very huge in the PM section right there. And look at today, it's dropped. You know, one of the huge 6.45 drop in the pre-market right there. So don't try to go long. Don't catch the falling knife. But interesting, let's see how the Nvidia, right? And you know, normally we want to see which between the QQQ, right, and the SPY, right? The QQ is just like for the Dow Jones, right? But it dropped similarly, right? It dropped huge. But in the QQQ, the Nvidia is the most, you know, volatile. Nvidia and Tesla. So let's see. So basically we have the 4 breakout at the level, right? The breakout level and breakdown now. Let's see what's the next level. It's gonna break down. It is level. Yep. Yep, at this level. Or this level right here. Or this level right here. Let's see. Yep, this level. 710.58. 710.58. Yes, 710.58. And this level also, right? Break down one more right here. What is this one? 708.26. Maybe this level. So this level. $93.88. Right, the low of this, no, 94.25. So look like the Nvidia a little bit more bullish. It tried to recover, or it may be a setup. Let's see. Right here, or right here at the level. What's the low of this? 18. Right, this one down. Yeah, maybe right here. 18. No, the low of this 75. No, 40. Let's break it down. Boom. And then it's break it down this level, and then go up, retest. Let's see how it's react to level 40. So here's the gap right here. 83, 83, 830. This one, oh, now start at this time, 930. They want to start make recovery, and then the spike keep make a, oh, so we see the diversion right there. Don't you see that? Oh, this one is great. Oh, so we see the diversion right here. So basically, oh, I see. I see it now, right? We see at the 830, 930. The Nvidia make a lower low, so basically it rate the sell side liquidity, but the SPY did not rate the sell side liquidity. It make a high low, not a lower low. Then after that it make a lower low. Wow! So right here we can go long, right? Because we see the way the Nvidia move, then we can go here and go long. And here's our level right here, right? 93. Sorry. Oh, look at that. Look at Nvidia. So we see that it will recover. Right here. 90. Yep. So we should put the buy stop right here. We're a little bit late right now, but it's okay to let it go. Let it go. We don't need to chase this fear of missing out. Okay, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. let it go, let it go. Yeah, that's the breakout level right there. And see the NVIDIA revisits the level and it get rejected. Let's see if it breaks through. Or it's just a short setup right there. You have a huge gap right there, right? Fair gap right there. And let's see if this level gonna be a full breakout level or gonna be a breakout level. Let's see. But for the NVIDIA, we see this is recover almost all our loss right there at 830. So if that happened, then the supply should do the same, right? It should recover from the 830 Dow candle, so it can recover right there. Let's see if we see anything else. Yeah, we see a very yep. So let's see if we go long right here, right, then how much we reach. Well, let's giant move right here. 58. Wow, that's huge. 58. And let's say we wanted to recover up to the level. Oh, that's the huge boost right there. $4 right there. Wow, look at the NVIDIA. So some panic selling, or it's gonna be a really downtrend from here? We don't know. We have to accept the fact that we don't know. We just trade on probability. Wow, look at NVIDIA completely recover from the trough at 930. Someone really stepping and buy right there for the NVIDIA. Huge. Let's see right here, right? We make assumption that the NVIDIA is move before the SPY move. Basically, we anticipate that this move will be copied by or replicated by the SPY. Let's see if the theory right. And we didn't see this fast enough, so we kind of mix a bit right here, and we accept that. We missed the trade right here. We don't want to chase them. We want to enter the trade with a less emotion, less emotional, right? If we trade right here, we're really emotional. We chase them. We feel like mixing out, and we try to constrain ourselves. We have to be in a neutral zero state where we don't feel like we have to chase them. So we're willing to accept the fact that we missed the trade instead of chasing them. So we may have made the trade right here. Let's take a screenshot right here. Wow, that's where this break this level on NVIDIA. Right, let's see right here. We identify this breakout level, and we put a buy stop right there. So yep, that's the perfect setup, right? You see a auto block, you see the sell dozy, right? And you see the sell side liquidity were rated, and then you have this rejection right there. That's the perfect setup. Well, we set a target right here, but if we're not sure a target, then as soon as it moves away from the entry, then we can move stop loss entry to break even, unless we have a free trade, right? That's the basic of the idea. If we're not sure about our targets, then at least we have a free trade right there. And we would apply stop at 493. That's it. And the entry time is 10:15, right? Yeah, that says 10:15. No, we put at 10:20. Or if we go early, we can go 10:15. But right here is a perfect. And we target, let reach reward. Wow, will be 1.8 right there. So we see a very good setup right here, right? You see the order block completely closed below that level, and you have two doji right here, and then you have a rejection right there. So we give a little bit condition right here, right? You have order block, which is the Dow close candle, break through the breakout level, and we have a two doji, and plus with with a rejection candle right there. Oh, ATC they call rejection block right there. Reaction block right there. Right there, that's rejection. And it closed very perfect at that level. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, wow. And now we have the DR is formed. All right, let's see how the NVIDIA doing. Wow, it's recovered. Very interesting. Look at that. So it break out the level. What else? Oh, maybe that level. Let's see if it hit this level. Right here was the low. 56. 56. Okay, we give you 56. See, we hit 56. Well, right here we can move, the stop loss to break even right here. What is the low of this one? 82. So the 2 cents above the breakout level right there. Yeah, I think this target a little bit, we can adjust them, right? Because right here you feel like the short setup also there. Look at this candle. We can mark it candle right here was the low. 70. And they did test that low. Test that low. Yeah, 19, 2 cents above. Let's see how this candle forming. What's today? February 13th? Alright, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. And for breakout, set up. Right? 20. Well, like um, look like the SPY gonna, you see it rip, and NVIDIA tell us that it's gonna rip up, and look like the SPY gonna do the same. Look at the doji right here. Let's see how it's handled this right here. Remove this for now. Because we have another level right here. Here we have another level right here. 59. Wow, look at NVIDIA, it really recover when a lot of people go and buy, because the NVIDIA have the earning coming the 21st next week. Basically NVIDIA have a earning coming next week. Yeah, February 21st, right? February 21st, right here, next Wednesday. So maybe that reason is it go up because people gonna anticipate a blowout earning. That's the reason why they feel this is a opportunity to buy it. You see, crazy. So look like this candle is up close. We have 1 minute and rejection to the outside and the doji rejection, so it's going to be a huge move up if it break through this level right there. So in this case, we make assumption that NVIDIA can give us a signal to the SPY. So basically, NVIDIA ahead of the SPY, right? It move ahead. It move up, then it move up ahead. It move down, it move down ahead. So give us some correlation right here, right? We remember we read one of the coach, forgot his name. His name is Larry or something. He from SMB trading, and he say about we have to find a broken machine where we can exploit them, and this could be our broken machine right here. So as soon as we see the rejection from NVIDIA to the outside, and we wait for the SPY, you know, because the NVIDIA it really rate the sell side area. So we wait for the SPY to rate the sell side, right? NVIDIA rate the sell side at 925 or 930, but the SPY it cut late, right? It rate the sell side liquidity at 10:15. So it's like wow, it's a long time. 9:30, 10:15. So it's 45 minutes later. So we wait for this rate the sell side and form the 4 breakout, then we go in and go long. So that's our, broken machine theory right there. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, I think his name is Lance. Lance. Yeah, I believe his name is Lance. Yeah, Lance. Yeah, right here. This is Lance from SMB Capital. So his idea that how to find easy money trade, which is find a broking machine, that's his idea right there. Yeah, we have to find the broking machine that's very reliable, that we can trade any day, anytime. So that's the whole concept right there. We need to find out broken machine. His Lance, I think his name is Lance. You can watch it later, but we just want to show you where we get the idea from. It's Lance. And I think you can follow him on Twitter also. For the SPY on 1 hour, we see a you see? So for the SPY 1 hour time frame is bullish right now. Right, you see the breakdown and you see another down close, but you see immediately you see a so-called engulfing. It take over that candle right there, but it break down this level is huge. The 98.71 we draw yesterday, this is the huge breakout level, and let's see how it handles this level. This is another level that it right now is below, right? Let's see if it's gonna be a full breakout and recovering here, or it's gonna be a real breakout from this level. So let's mark it right here, right? We have roughly idea. So the high is 96.05. Excuses. 05 or 03. Okay, 05. So far we are into 40 minutes of our recording. So we try to do 1 hour highlight. Yeah, that's another key level right there. So we need to highlight a little bit bigger. So if it break 3 level or breaking out, then it can tell us something going on right there. All right, the NVIDIA continue to rip it up. Very interesting. Be right back. So we have a very interesting development right here, right? You see at this time, 10:55, this one is down close, right? That means it look like this is gonna be a huge resistance, right? So it's falling, and we thought that, you know, we anticipate it's gonna be a follow-up because it's huge, but automatically it reversed and it break through this breakout level. So this could be a bullish signal, or it could be a trap right there, bull trap right there, bearish right there. But let's see how it behaves right here. So we can put a sell stop or either sell stop or buy stop. But at least you see this candle open above this, right? And if it retests this level and then go up, then it's a real breakout of the level. However, if it break out from here, so it's going to be a false breakout. It's not going to break out. Wow, so you could buy stop right here to compare it to the trade right there. So basically this move is going to stop out the people who shorted. It take the buy sell liquidity and then boom, it go down. That's what we observed in the past right there. So basic here, right here, it reversed the course right there. Instead of going down, reverse, right? And then it retest one more time at the level before it going up. And we are basically before the lunch time. So we are 11:45, 50-minute equivalent time. But so far it reached 0.5 standard deviation right there, the same for NVIDIA. Let's see if we hit 1 standard deviation. So look like from here to here, and NVIDIA from 1040. So about an hour it consolidate right there on NVIDIA. But the SPY make a 1040, right? Yeah, SPY make a up move a little bit. But basically for NVIDIA, it recover all the loss at 8:30, right, when the CBI data release. But the SPY is not there yet. So let's see. So a very big move gonna make and about to make right here. So we are 20 minutes before the PM trading section, right? It's in the critical right here, right? For both NVIDIA and SPY right here. You see the gap right there, fair gap right there, and you see the gap right here. So it just it already rate the buy sell liquidity, so it's not gonna rate again. It create a gap, so it just revisit the gap, retest the gap, and continue to move down. So we anticipate a similar move right here. it just retest the gap and continue to move down. So look on 1 hour time frame, it looks quite bearish for both Nvidia and SPY. So so we just see it rate the buy side right there. But at the same time, it's moving around the DR high. So if it's gonna move down, it may retest the DR, mid range right here. Very interesting. Let wait and see. We will start in the PM section. Be right back. So market move to the direction that we anticipate right here. Exactly, you see that great fellow gap and retested. So this up close candle is just a trap to trap sell side liquidity. We should not mistaken at a bullish signal right there. So the level we identify on the Nvidia right here is just for breakout. Right. If we look on the 1 hour time frame for Nvidia, right, at this candle at 12, it opened below the level that we draw right there, which is this level. Yeah, you see the rejection, it opened below and it tests just above that and then it showed out right there. The more beautiful about the Nvidia is that it gives us a very high quality setup, right? But the next thing for us where we're gonna set our target. So our target gonna be the mid range, like we mentioned earlier, or gonna be the low of the day right here. Maybe all the way here. You see when it start moving to the PM section, it may move further down. But here we have a hallmark of the short setup right there. You have a sell side liquidity rate here on the SPY. We don't have a clear picture of sell side, buy side liquidity rate, right? Because it's not recover. But for the Nvidia, it's recover the move, the down move. The tricky about Nvidia is that they have a earning coming next week, February 21st, which is Wednesday. So trade before trading, we trade before the earning a little bit tricky, but for the SPY, that's not an issue. So this is also the hallmark right there. You have Fibonacci graph, so you don't wait for it to rate the buy side in order to short them, because it's already rate on the buy side, and the fair value gap is the signal that short them when it go in there. It's perfect. And if we look at the 1 hour on the SPY, we see that right. So we see that this move had not finished. Huge down move, it break 1, 2, 3. 3 level right there. So I don't think it's gonna recover. It's gonna shift to down right there. See that? So the next target for us, maybe it's gonna come all the way down here, right? This level. Yeah, it may come down here. The high is 92.61. Yeah, 92.61. See that? Let's see how it moving from here. We see some movement right here, right? Because for the NVIDIA, this is a breakout level. Let's see it hold that. Alright, NVIDIA, if we look at the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this is the breakout level. You see it break down with a huge down close, so we call it order block right there, and you have a doji which is right the sell side, so it's very bullish right there. Yeah, and that is open just above the close, and it retests around the doji range right there, and then boom, we go up. So it's a beautiful setup if we can recognize this early on, right? We draw this level right there, or it can be this level also. If we go in early, then we put a buy stop right here, right? Buy stop right here. When it open below, put a buy stop right there. That's another way we can trade them. Yeah, we can put a buy stop at this level right there. You see that? We draw that. But anyway, we missed the long trade right there. When we see the gap, fill the gap, right, and retest that gap again. It's a giant open above, come all the way, retest them. This is a perfect go long for us right there. Go, we see the huge rejection right there. Wow, this is the perfect setup. Open above. You see the entry went open above. But if we entry right here, right, then we had to seek through this this retest right there. $40. So it's a long setup right here. Let's take a screenshot of this one. So basically we have a full breakout, long setup with a buy stop. Yeah, we have to do something right here very quick. So basically we have to annotate the risk and reward, right? The risk, wow, $10 move, man, that's huge right there. And we aim for 1.5, right? So that's the risk. So we risk $10. Man, the movement from the Nvidia is huge as compared to the SPY. So $20. Wow. So 10 and so almost 1 to 2 risk reward right there. 10, 26, so 1 to 2.5 risk reward. So that's an idea, right? So bullish right here. It's basically this is what we have, right? We can put right here, stop at 707.26, and what we're gonna do, yeah, we entry there anytime 0940. If we want early, then it will be 0935. If we want early, then our stop loss gonna be full $10 right here, $10.94. But if we go late, then our stop loss just below this low, this candle. We're good to go right there. So basically we reach for one, get 1 to 5 reach ratio right now, 2.5. Very simple, right? Yeah, we see it break outlet level and it break outlet level, sweep one more time. So and just sell liquidity. Yeah, 3 times, I mean, right? And then first huge, rejection rate, which is this one. And you have rated 1, rated twice, and the last rate is reject right there. It's not even close below that level. give us a huge signal to go along. Okay, let's go back to see where it's right now. Oh, okay, so it's recovered from here. We also see a huge feather gap right there. Huge gap right here, 2 gap right there. Anyway, we reached our 1 hour mark. So we wrap up right here, and we will see you in the afternoon and update review. Bye for now. Have a wonderful day.